Alright guys, so this is that last minute gift that I actually did this last year as well, but because my brother works in a place where they have printed material, the quality is much better. I did like a sticker last year, or 2 years ago now, I can't remember, just on like postage paper that you print addresses. So the quality wasn't good, so I'm just redoing this whole video. But anyway, so what I use to create these collages is Canva, as you could see. All you gotta do, it's just create a free account. You could actually buy stuff, and if you have Rakuten, that works as well. So I think like 40% off. But all I did was go to create, design, customize. So the inches for my candle ended up being 13.5 by 2.5. So I just put, so you want to make sure you put the correct units. So for my particular candle, typical for 14 to 14.5 ounce. Typically it's a 2.5 by 13.5. The half inch just creates the lip, so when you wrap the whole wrap, which I'll show you, there's at least an overlap. So anyway, create design, it'll bring you to a new page. I'm not gonna remake it, because I already made it, but I'm just gonna show you. So on the sides there is some, under uploads is all your photos. So these are like personal family photos, but just to show you, you could go under photos, and I'll just use these images. I couldn't find how to like rotate this. It was harder for me to create everything. So what I did was, just drag stuff, let's drag a few other items, and because you want it to be sideways, you just take the items, roll them this way, get that 90-degree angle. And I'm not going to save this because I don't need it, but it's like literally what I did for all those collages, and I don't want to show any more personal photos. So literally just shift everything. But that is what I did, and then I saved it. And let me just show you how. And so when you save it, when you download, it's going to be a PNG. That just, I'm assuming, is just really compatible with like printing programs. So this is, I don't want to show I'll show you my family one. So I made the candle version. So when it downloads, it's gonna be like vertical, like it shows up as this when you download the PNG. So all you gotta do is just flip it back. But this is like some family photos over the years, so I'm gonna put that on a candle. I don't want to show the one I made for my co-worker just yet. So I have these printed, like I said. And then, sorry it's dark guys, it's nighttime. Had them printed, and with Canva, you could really, like, if you put the viewing on the 100%, you could see if your things are gonna be like pixelized or not. So these turned out very well. Like, oh, my brother already chopped them up for me. Oh, thanks. So again, my brother works in a printing company. So if you guys need any shirts or anything customized, personalized, do let me know. I could send you the link. But this is gonna be what's gonna be wrapped around the candle. So I just have a basic, this is actually an Aldi's candle. This is like the 14.5 candle. Now they only make 14 ounce, but this is literally the same size as the Bath and Body Works. But literally what I'm gonna do is just wrap this around. You could use sticker type, or you could just use, if you want to create a more glossy finish, you could use the decal version. So it makes it really glossy, and you can adjust it a little bit easily and remove all the bubbles, versus like a sticker where, like, once you place it on, it's gonna rip. So I also got a bottle of wine as well. As you could see, I took off the sticker. I just have to like take off this residue. You could use oil to really remove it, but what I have for that section is, oh sorry, there's a piece of hair. Again, it's a decal, so it's very glossy, and this is going to be on the front. I used Canva to create this image.